Brave ladies came from across the UK to get their smear test done live on TV, even though they were anxious.
For me, I just think it's the outcome, the fear of the outcome.
You're going to be brave?
Yes.
Normally results would take a mere 2 weeks to come back, but luckily our This Morning ladies are getting theirs back in less than 2 days.
So I've got the results, and thankfully most of them are normal. I've got good news for you today. Because your smear test that you had with us was absolutely fine.
Clear.
Good. You've got the all clear for the 3 years.
All right.
Yay!
Unfortunately, not all the results were good news. Sharon Yallop, 38, from Dagenham, has 3 children. She can't remember the last time she had her smear test and understandably is worried.
My worst fear would be that they might find something that I've left for a long time.
I'm really glad you made that appointment. Because your smear isn't completely normal this time. All right? Don't worry, you look absolutely terrified. You're going to be absolutely fine.
Sorry.
But it's all right, it's okay. It's going to be absolutely fine. You have just got some borderline changes, that's all. Okay? So it's nothing nasty. It is absolutely not cancer. They're recommending that you have a smear test in a year's time.
It's taught me a lesson. Don't leave it. Don't leave your health.
28-year-old Sam Green from Hertfordshire should have had her smear test 3 years ago.
Now, don't want you to panic, but they're not absolutely normal. And you need something called a colposcopy. Do you know what that is?
No.
Okay, that's a more detailed look at the cervix. And I've given you a bit of a bombshell now, I know, so we're not going to leave you waiting. What I'm going to do is we've made an appointment for you tomorrow, okay, to have that done.
Responsible for saving thousands of women's lives, pioneering consultant gynaecologist Mr. Richard Smith has agreed to see Samantha straight away.
The investigation that we want to do is a colposcopy, which is to look at her cervix with a microscope and to see if we can see any small areas of abnormality.
Good that we're just getting on with it straight away, so you haven't got to worry about it. Yes. And you're in the best hands.
After a thorough consultation, it's time for Sam to have her colposcopy.
We will pass the speculum, deep breath in and out. Just give me a little cough. Okay, now I have now got a clear view of your cervix, and the first thing to say is that naked eye appearance, exactly like Dr. Dawn, your cervix looks normal, all right? I'm just going to soak the cervix now with acetic. Maybe slightly cold, okay?
Yeah, fine.
So far, I'm not seeing any abnormality whatsoever, having put the dye on, okay? Nothing staining up. So I'm now going to put the second dye on. You have a completely normal colposcopy, all right? And she's great. She's really good, so we're happy. So what you need is a repeat test in 6 months' time.
It was an experience that was a lot easier than I thought it could have ever been. Pain-free.